The Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop is a powerhouse designed to cater to the needs of avid gamers and creative professionals alike. With its sleek design, cutting-edge performance, and impressive features, the Razer Blade 15 is a force to be reckoned with in the world of gaming laptops. For those seeking an even more immersive visual experience, the Razer Blade 15 also offers a 4K OLED touch display option. This display boasts a stunning resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels and supports HDR, high dynamic range content. The OLED technology brings rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. Overall, the combination of vapor chamber cooling, redesigned fans, intelligent software controls, and heat dissipation features makes the Razer Blade 15 an efficient cooling solution for demanding gaming sessions. It ensures that the laptop remains cool under heavy loads, minimizing the risk of thermal throttling and maintaining. The Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop features powerful Intel Core processors that deliver excellent performance for gaming and other resource-intensive tasks. These processors ensure smooth gameplay, fast rendering, and efficient multitasking, making the Razer Blade 15 a formidable choice for gamers and creative professionals. The Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop boasts a sleek and stylish design that combines aesthetics with functionality. Razer has paid meticulous attention to detail, creating a laptop that not only performs exceptionally, but also stands out in terms of its visual appeal. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards are built on the Turing architecture, which brings ray tracing technology and AI-enhanced graphics to the gaming experience. Ray tracing allows for realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows, enhancing the visual fidelity of games. AI-enhanced graphics enable features such as DLSS. The Razer Blade 15's keyboard is engineered for precision and speed. The keys have a satisfying tactile feel with good key travel, making them responsive for both gaming and typing. The keyboard layout is optimized for gaming, with an anti-ghosting feature that ensures accurate input recognition even during intense gaming sessions. Here are the names of the ports commonly found on the Razer Blade 15 gaming laptop. USB Type-A ports, USB Type-C/Thunderbolt, 4 ports HDMI port audio ports, headphone microphone combo jack, Ethernet port SD card reader.